Good morning, Sarah. Tell me about your experience.
I have worked in sales for 5 years. I started in 2021.
That is a long time. Where did you work first?
I worked at a small shop. I talked to many customers every day.
What was your main task?
I sold electronic products. I also helped people with their questions.
Did you like that job?
Yes, it was very interesting. I learned how to solve problems quickly.
What do you do now?
I am a team leader. I manage 3 people in my current office.
That is impressive. Why do you want a new job?
I want to grow. I am ready for a bigger challenge. I am very motivated.
I can see that. Do you speak other languages?
I speak Spanish and English. It helps me talk to more customers.
That is very helpful. Thank you for sharing your history.
Thank you for your time. I hope to hear from you soon.
We will call you next week. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hi, Sam. What are you doing with that guitar?
I am trying to play a song. I can play the guitar, but I am still a beginner.
That is wonderful. I didn't know you were musical. Can you sing too?
No, I cannot sing at all. My voice is very bad. What about you, Maya?
I can dance. I go to a dance class every Tuesday. It is a lot of fun.
You are very active. Are you good at sports?
I am good at tennis, but I am not good at football. It is too difficult for me.
I understand. I am good at computer games. I can solve puzzles very fast.
That is a great skill. Can you fix computers too?
Yes, I can fix simple problems. If your computer is slow, I can help you.
Thank you, Sam. I also need help with my office work. Can you use Excel?
I am very good at Excel. I use it every day for my job. What are your other skills?
I can speak 3 languages. I speak English, Spanish, and French.
Wow, you are very talented. Speaking languages is a very useful ability.
Thank you. We all have different things we can do. It makes life interesting.
You are right. Let's practice together. You dance and I will play the guitar.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
Good morning, Lisa. Do you have a moment?
Yes, Mr. Brown. How can I help you today?
I have a few tasks for you. First, please print these reports.
Of course. How many copies do you need?
Please make 5 copies. Then put them in the meeting room.
I can do that. Should I put them on the big table?
Yes, put them on the table. Next, please send an email to the team.
What should the email say?
Tell them the meeting is at 2 o'clock. It is very important.
I will send it right now. Is there anything else?
Yes, please call the delivery company. We need the blue boxes today.
I understand. I will call them after I send the email. When do you need the boxes?
We need them before 5 o'clock.
I will make sure they arrive on time.
Thank you, Lisa. You are doing a great job.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. I am happy to help. I will start the tasks now.
Great. If you have a question, please ask me.
I will. See you later.
Goodbye.
Leo, what is your dream job?
That is a big question. I want to be a pilot.
A pilot. That sounds exciting. Why do you want to fly planes?
I love to travel. I want to see different countries every day. What about you?
I would like to be a famous chef. I want to have my own restaurant.
That is a wonderful goal. You are already very good at cooking.
Thank you. I want to cook healthy food. It makes people happy.
Where do you want your restaurant to be?
I want it to be in a big city like New York or London.
That is very ambitious. Will you serve Italian food?
Yes, that is my favorite. I want to make the best pasta in the world.
I believe in you. You are very hardworking. What is the first step?
I need to finish my cooking class. Then I will work in a small kitchen.
That is a smart plan. Step by step, you will reach your dream.
I hope so. And you, do you need to study a lot?
Yes, I must study math and English. Pilots need to speak English very well.
We can practice together. I will cook, and you can tell me about your flight.
It's a deal. Let's work hard for our dreams.
Hello, Mr. Adams. May I ask a few questions?
Of course, Maya. How can I help you?
I want to know about the benefits. Do I have health insurance?
Yes, you do. The company pays for your insurance. It starts today.
That is very good news. Does it cover the dentist too?
Yes, it covers basic dental work. You just need to show your ID card.
Thank you. Also, I want to ask about my vacation. How many days do I have?
You have 20 days of vacation per year. You can use them after 3 months.
That is a lot of time. Do I need to ask you first?
Yes, please send an email 2 weeks before. We need to plan the work.
I understand. What about sick leave? What if I feel ill?
You have 10 sick days. If you are sick, please call your manager in the morning.
Okay. Does the company have a pension plan?
Yes, we help you save money for the future. We can talk about that next week.
Thank you for the information. You are very helpful.
You're welcome, Maya. We want our employees to be happy and healthy.
I am very happy to be here. See you later.
Have a great day.
Hi, Sam. How did you get to work today?
I took the train. The train was very crowded.
I understand. Did you have to stand up?
Yes, I stood for 30 minutes. It was not very comfortable. How do you travel?
I usually drive my car. It is faster for me.
How long is the drive? Do you sit in traffic?
The drive is 20 minutes. Sometimes there is a lot of traffic.
That is not too bad. Do you listen to the radio?
Yes, I listen to English podcasts. It helps me learn while I drive.
That is a great idea. I usually read a book on the train.
Is the train station near your house?
Yes, it is a 5-minute walk. It is very convenient.
I wish I could walk to work. My office is too far away.
Maybe you can try a bike. The weather is getting warmer.
I am not very good at cycling. I prefer my car.
That is okay. Everyone has a favorite way to travel.
You are right. At least we both arrived on time.
Yes, we did. Let's start our work day.
Have a good morning, Sam.
Hi, Emma. How was your commute today?
It was okay, but the bus was late. I waited for 15 minutes.
That is frustrating. Does the bus usually arrive on time?
Usually, yes, but today there was an accident. How did you get here?
I rode my bicycle. It is my favorite way to travel.
That is very healthy. Is it a long ride from your house?
It takes about 10 minutes. I like the exercise.
I am jealous. It takes me 40 minutes by bus.
That is a long time. Do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, I listen to English songs. It helps me practice my listening skills.
That is a smart idea. Do you ever take the train?
No, the train station is too far. I have to walk a lot.
I understand. Driving is also an option, but parking is expensive.
You are right. I prefer the bus because it is cheaper.
True. At least we are both here now. Are you ready to work?
Yes, I am. Let's have a productive day.
I agree. See you at lunch.
See you then.
Hi, Emma. Are you looking for a new job?
Yes, I am. I want to work part-time. I have classes in the morning.
That is a good choice. How many hours can you work?
I can work 20 hours a week. I prefer to work in the afternoon.
I understand. I am looking for a full-time position.
Why do you want to work full-time? Is it very tiring?
Yes, but I want a higher salary. Full-time is 40 hours a week.
That is a lot of work. Do you get 2 days off?
Yes, I work from Monday to Friday. I am free on the weekend.
That is nice. I work on Saturdays and Sundays. The office is very quiet.
Do you get any benefits? Part-time jobs are different.
I don't have health insurance, but I have more free time.
That is the trade-off. I have insurance, but I am always busy.
I like my flexibility. I can study and work at the same time.
You are very hardworking. I hope you find a good job today.
Thank you, Alex. I hope you find a great full-time role too.
Let's check the job board. Look, there is a part-time opening.
Where is it? I will go and ask right now.
Hi, Chloe. How was your shift at the front desk?
It was a bit difficult. A customer had a problem.
Oh, no. What happened? Was the customer angry?
Yes, the customer was very upset. They didn't receive their order.
That is a tough situation. How did you handle it?
First, I listened to the customer. I didn't interrupt them.
That is very smart. It is important to stay calm.
I agree. Then I said, I am very sorry for the mistake.
Did that help? Apologizing is a great first step.
Yes, the customer calmed down. Then I checked the computer.
Did you find the order?
Yes, it was in the warehouse. There was a small delay.
What did you do next?
I offered a discount. I wanted to make the customer happy.
That is an excellent solution. Customer service is all about helping.
The customer thanked me. They were very satisfied in the end.
You did a great job, Chloe. Solving problems is a valuable skill.
Thank you, Leo. It feels good to fix a mistake.
I am proud of you. Let's go get some coffee.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
Hello, is this Elena? I have some great news.
Hello, yes, this is Alina. How can I help you, Victor?
We would like to offer you the job. We were very impressed with your skills.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. I am very happy to hear that.
You are very welcome. We think you will be a great fit for our team.
I am excited to start. What are the next steps?
I will send you the contract by email. Please read it carefully.
I will check my email right now. Does it include the start date?
Yes, we want you to start on Monday. Is that okay for you?
Monday is perfect. What time should I arrive at the office?
Please come at 9 o'clock. Ask for me at the front desk.
I understand. Should I bring any specific documents?
Please bring your ID and your bank details. We need them for your file.
I will bring everything. Thank you for this opportunity, Victor.
Congratulations, Elena. We are looking forward to seeing you on Monday.
Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.